Keep Flying presents the Aviation Digital FinTwin, a new financial intelligence layer built for SAP customers. Keep Flying helps the aviation industry reimagine revenue hours, turning aircraft and engine data into trusted financial intelligence. We transform maintenance, finance, contracts, and operations data into real-time insight on the true value of every asset. Keep Flying brings two capabilities that work together. Our first offering, FinTwin's Aviation Intelligence, links the technical condition of every aircraft, engine, and component to its financial story, answering the questions that move money, cost, revenue potential, remaining useful life, and risk. Across 6 modules: engine and airframe MRO, asset valuation, maintenance reserves, lease and contract intelligence, and supply chain. Our second offering, Data Services for AI-ready data, deploys aviation-tuned AI agents that collect, reconcile, clean, and standardize messy records. Because every AI ambition depends on clean, governed data. One makes your data trustworthy, the other makes it valuable. Today, that data is fragmented, document-heavy, and slow. Critical value stays trapped across disconnected systems and spreadsheets. Getting SAP aviation data into production AI is finally seamless. FinTwin connects natively. No pipelines, no migrations, no disruption to your existing stack. Delivering governed, AI-ready intelligence on the Databricks Data Intelligence Platform. SAP remains your system of record. Databricks brings the lakehouse and the AI. Together, they are built for exactly this. With zero-copy delta sharing, your SAP data is unified in place. No copies, no exports, fully governed and secure. On that foundation, we have updated FinTwin. Powered by Databricks, it connects into the SAP Databricks solution, standardizing aviation data management and making it governed, structured, and AI-ready. The FinTwin spans 6 purpose-built modules. Engine MRO and airframe MRO anchor the suite, covering bid-to-cash, digital induction, and shop visit forecasting. Asset valuation, maintenance reserves, lease intelligence, and predictive forecasting complete the picture. FinTwin's agentic data services keep aviation records always current and AI-ready. Collector, cleaner, structurer, and validator work continuously, with end-to-end governance ensuring every record is traceable, compliant, and trusted. All co-engineered on a joint SAP and Databricks reference architecture, open, governed, and enterprise-grade. We start with a focused proof of value, productize what works, then scale across your entire fleet. Customers land with a proof of value, governed SAP financial data, AI-ready from day one with no rip and replace. FinTwin layers on top of your existing SAP stack, bringing the Databricks Data Intelligence Platform to your ecosystem. And the upside? Value lands in weeks, not months. Realized from day one, not after a year of plumbing. Around 80% less time and cost reading records by hand, and 60% lower cost than the fragmented tools it replaces. With autonomous agents validating and governing every record, ingestion accuracy stays above 95%. So the savings are real, not theoretical. Turn your aviation assets into living financial intelligence. Keep flying with SAP and Databricks.